Welcome back. So today we'll be seeing some terminologies regarding ethical hacking. So there are some typical terminologies which we need to understand before we are going to learn about ethical hacking. Right. Let us consider this image and try to build the terminologies. See here, this is a thief, and he want to break or enter into this house and steal or rob some money which is placed in this locker inside this house. For this purpose, he is having a tool set to break this. Now, generally, what are the activities that will be done by this thief? Right? So, he want to steal the money which is available in the locker, which is in the house. He want to break it and he want to enter into this house by using this tool set. Right? Now, the first thing he will do is he will be observing this house. Then he will be assessing, is there any CCTV or CC camera, so that he can avoid the capture of his identity into that CCTV. Then next he will be looking how many people are available, what is their age. He will be taking some assessment on that. Now, when will be people available in the house and when they are not available or they are going for any vacation or work, by locking the house. And how many entry points are there for this house, right? So he can enter into this house by using or by breaking these windows or by breaking this door, or how many doors are there, is there any back door or side doors available. So he will be assessing all this, right? So this we will be interpreting it with ethical hacking terminology now. So first thing, the attacker or hacker is interpreted for thief or robber. So we call the thief or robber as hacker or attacker. The next, what is his target? This house. So for a hacker, the target will be web application or any network or any infrastructure of any organization. So that will be his target. Now he knows the target. So what he want to steal or what he want to gain by doing hacking, that is like for thief the money, but for the hacker it may be money or database or information, right? If it is any banking application, then he want to steal the money from their account. If it is any social website or any other kind of organization website, he want to steal that information which is available in their databases, stored in their databases. And then vulnerability term. So vulnerabilities are nothing but the loopholes, right? So this is one loophole. This is one loophole. That means he can break. This is one, and this is one to exploit or to enter into the house. These are the vulnerabilities, right? The weak points, we call it as vulnerabilities, right? So the place where he can break or to enter into the house, the place where he can enter, or the path with which he can enter is termed to be, or the weak point is termed to be vulnerabilities. Right? So these are the weak points that he can enter into the house. So that weak points are called as vulnerabilities. Then you know the path, you know the target. Now he need some tools to break this door, to break this locker. He needs some tool set, right? So that tool set we call in the hacking terminology as payload or script. So payload is the tool set, or the script is a tool set to break the protection for this house and enter into the house, right? So the tool set which is used to break the house, in hacking terminology we call it as payload or script, right? So look at here again. So the thief want to enter into the house and break this locker to steal the money inside it by using this tool set. The same is interpreted for ethical hacking or hacking terminologies. The person who want to steal or take the money from this house, in hacking terminology we call it as a hacker, and the target for him is either web application or network or infrastructure of an organization. Now on which he will target is, or what he requires, what he will steal is the database or information or money if it is a banking application, because we are having internet banking. For banking applications, money transfers are happening, and the weak points to enter into this is termed as vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities are the weak points or bugs that are present in an application or a network so that the hacker can enter into the house or enter into the web application or network. And now to exploit these vulnerabilities, he need a tool set which is termed as, in hacking terminology it is payload or script, right? Some malicious script, some malicious payload is constructed or prepared, and with this he will exploit these vulnerabilities, and all together it is termed as pen testing, right? So first he will gather the information that is required, then next he will be scanning for the vulnerabilities, the weak points, and then next he will be taking the access or gaining the access by using some payload or malicious script for this web application. So this is the interpretation of hacking with some real-time example for your understanding. So thank you. We'll continue in the next session.